What's up, Beacon? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Robro, and I'm back with another quick video, guys. So guys, we're doing an unboxing video. This is actually from Amazon. We are going to leave the link down below, and what I got in my hand is it's called a Shardor electric blade coffee grinder. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know my camera is a little bit too close, but it's whatever. But hopefully you guys can see that right there. And we just gonna get straight into the video, guys. So the reason why wifey get this grinder, she been seeing a lot of video on TikTok about most like herbalists back home in Jamaica, and they've been saying like these bushes cure this, these bushes cure that, and whatnot. So the reason why she get the grinder is because she asked for some bush from Jamaica, and when she get it, she's gonna grind them up and we're gonna start drinking them as tea. Meaning you got soursop leaf and you got a bunch of different leaves she's gonna grind up in this bad boy right here. So this is just an unboxing video. This is unboxing, and I'm actually going to make a video, or maybe add the video to this video. She says she want to use it, so that's why she's bugging me to make the unboxing video. Okay, so this is the blender bottom. You got the wire because it's electric. It's electric. And you got the blade inside the blender. Oh, so they gave you two. So I'm guessing you can twist this to take this one out. Yep, there we go. So this is one that came out. You put it back in there like this, and you turn it. It actually got some marking on it. Hopefully you guys can see that right there, to lock it back in place. And I believe this is the top, or the cover. This is the cover. I don't know how the cover thing works, but I guess you push it down and hold it to grind it up. That would make sense. There should probably be something else to probably close it. If not, maybe that's how it's supposed to be. But it got a little button right here in the front. When you put the cover on, you can hear it. You can hear it make a little click, but it's not really closing. So I'm wondering if, or maybe that's the button to start it. I'm assuming. This is just an unboxing video, guys. I'm assuming that's the button to maybe start it. That's kind of weird. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a grinder, so you press it down, start it, and it grinds the stuff up. You take the lid off, and then you screw this and take it out and empty it and put it wherever you want to put it. So that's the cover. That's an extra bottom with blade in it. Oh, this one come with a little cover too. That's pretty nice. This one come with a little cover on it right there. I'm not gonna take it off because I don't know. I'm trying to take it off, but oh, there we go. So this is like a coffee cup. You just close the lid and that's it. So that's number two. I'm gonna see what else in the box. Oh, you got a spoon in the box. The manual, which we probably not gonna read because it's basically plug and play. And we got another lid for the first one that we show you guys. So this is a spoon right here and another lid. Okay. So yeah guys, that's about it. The box is empty and that's about it. This is the Shardor electric blade coffee grinder. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correct because I'm bad with names. I told my wife a while ago, she always getting stuff for me to twist my tongue or bite my tongue, try to pronounce the word. So that's Shardor electric blade coffee grinder. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. Okay, and it's from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, peace. I'm out. Okay guys, we're using the grinder to grind some bush, I guess. This is actually a cold bush. So we basically
it's herbs. Herbs, blending herbs. Cause I don't know what to tell people, but we're blending herbs. And this was my main reason for getting the grinder, to grind up my herbs that I have. I grind it down to nothing. I grind it down to nothing. What was that? 5 seconds? And that's what we have.
The leaf them still kind of big.
Yes, but you don't want them grind out to nothing. We don't want them grind out to nothing.
Oh.
But that'll be what they look like.
So I guess it worked, guys.
Yep. And I can put some more in there. Guys, y'all see me in my pajamas? Anyways, come.
And she got these things right here also. To put
the reusable that's wet. That has tea in it. That's reusable coffee tea bags.
One bag of sauce, that's trainer.
It's called the reusable coffee.
So I was right, guys. You press down on that little thing with the cover, and it make the blender move. Yeah, that's better, I think.
There it goes. I can smell it. The herbs. I need to get some mason jars because I can't be putting these can't go back in the Ziploc bags. So now I have to go get mason jars at the store.
Just by put them in a Ziploc bag now.
Can't put that in Ziploc bag. Janice, waste my tea.
Well, anyway, guys, as you see it work, and I'm gonna attach this video with that video that I just make. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and
subscribe.
She over here killing fly.
A fly. One fly been chasing all day.
Peace. We're out.